Sari kamjo tono ang norok na ni channel lo taisa lamsogo ang tabuk oro Supreme Court no aidrib ni chimi phaimani hearing ni bagai tabuk se hearing payo ang tini tambagi phaingke kaisa transfer petition ni bagai oro Supreme Court phaimani se transfer petition bo section o seijak tongke 406 CRPC ajagongke transfer petition ni tei seijak tongo Supreme Court ni askino power tongo bo kaisa state ni chimi ta kaisa state jara je case transfer khainani bini power tongo mane for justice ni bagai Suppose chini Tripura sarok norok ni case Chennai phang tongka Madras High Court norok Tripura tongka angke norok justice maya nei norok Saiman tongka angke Chennai yo norok a case transfer kaimano Supreme Court sekang petition file ma kenai abung no je ang sana musuk mani tini ang kaisa transfer petition ni bagai oro case file kaimani ya tini hearing tongo angke chini Tripura sarok norok ni case Madras High Court Gujarat High Court Karnataka High Court Delhi High Court Bihar Calcutta rago norok tongka angke norok Tripura bo transfer khainan kangke norok bo oro application khai norok transfer khaimano norok ang by contact khaimano je ani channel nai tonglai no belge no hambai norok nai tongdin geta gisang ke ani logewo ani dol masa tongo bo kaisa ani junior no bo London thanai porana ni bagai ge ang bono bo kaisa kisa video phunuk sinai because bo ang by kam khaimani bo ani loge no bo kam khayo ani office ang bono singnai bo kaisa scholarship bo select ongkha ge botabo University of York por nan thang dongo UK London no Claire you got an opportunity to study in London so what message do you want to give to my subscribers?
Yeah, first of all, like thank God and like thank you Paul as well because yeah this is it's a great opportunity for me, you know. I got this scholarship from the University of York is in Southeast London. So I'll be going, I think, by the end of this week. And then all the distinct viewers, you please subscribe to the channel because you'll be receiving and you know you get lots of legal updates and important updates from this very channel. So yeah, we'll see you soon and yeah.
Thank you so much, Claire, for your wishes, and I wish you the same and for your success in your future.
Yeah, same to you.